welcome to today's video. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video. So for today's video I thought I would do a mini Zara haul but with a little bit of a twist. So I ordered all of these items a couple of weeks ago, and if you follow me over on my Instagram you will have seen all of the issues and everything like that I had with my order. Basically I had things missing from my order, so I didn't get sent everything that I actually ordered, and I was going to wait and reorder the items and then try and refilm this video, but the other items that were missing have actually gone out of stock on the Zara website. So I thought, why not just do a mini haul with the items that I already have but incorporate them into a styling video. I love styling different pieces together from different brands and creating really nice outfits that I know are easy to go to but they'll look really good if I need to quickly throw them on. Basically show you how I've styled the items that I've got from Zara with other items that I already have in my wardrobe. So if you like the sound of this video then please do give it a thumbs up, and of course click that subscribe button down below. And without further ado, we're going to get on into the video. So the first item I have to show you from Zara is this jacket, whatever you want to call it. It's in this black and white kind of checkered crosshatch pattern. It is long sleeve but I have just rolled the sleeves up and it does have buttons on the bottom. It has pockets on both sides of the top of the jacket, but the good thing about this is that the fabric isn't actually too thick, so I think this would be a great transition piece from going from winter into sort of spring summer sort of time. Personally I would just wear this open. I have just got a short sleeved black plain vest on underneath and I've paired it with just a plain black pair of leggings. But I've rolled the sleeves up because personally I just think the sleeves look a little bit better rolled up on me. Because I am quite short, I feel like if I roll the sleeves up it makes my arms look longer than they actually are. And then for accessories, in terms of styling and things like that, I'd probably just wear this jacket open like I am right now and pair a little crossbody bag with it. This is just a really easy, comfortable outfit, and because the jacket has a little bit of the black and white going on, it adds something a little bit extra to just an all black plain outfit. So the next item I have to show you that I got from Zara is this high neck cropped black vest top. It is also ruched at the side, so you can adjust the sides to however long or short you want them, and it also does have these two little pulley bits on both sides. This is also in a really soft ribbed material and obviously has the high neck which you could roll over if you didn't want it so high necked, just like this. This is super stretchy and actually really comfy to wear. I absolutely love this top. So to style this top I've paired it with this long line blazer in this really nice neutral sandy colour. I've also just got a plain black pair of jeans that have a ripped hem at the bottom, and they kind of meet where the ruched part is at the very sides of the top. I've also just paired this little bag which is also from Zara. I did get this quite a while ago. If I can find it on the website I'll be sure to link it down below. It does come with a long strap so you can wear it kind of crossbody if you wanted to, but I think this looks really cute with this outfit. Again, I've rolled the sleeves up on this blazer. That's just how I prefer to wear my jackets. I feel like with the high neck of this top and the structure of the blazer it looks really nice, and again you could totally dress this outfit up, put a nice pair of black heels on or black heeled boots. You could put a pair of chunky trainers, a pair of Vans, something like that to kind of dress the outfit down. Either way, again, this is a really nice comfy outfit. I'd probably wear this if I was going out somewhere for the day, when we can eventually go out and have drinks in the daytime, things like that. Again, this would be a really nice option. So let me know what you think of this outfit in the comments. So next I have this black cropped faded effect long sleeve jumper to show you. This is from Zara and I did get this in a sale, I'm pretty sure. I'm not usually one to go for crop jumpers, but sometimes they're a great piece to have just for layering different items. So this one just sits nicely just at my waistline, just where my jeans sit, so it does look really nice with just a high-waisted pair of jeans like this. Then linking in with this top, the next thing I have to show you that I also got from Zara is this body warmer. I know body warmers, gilets, however you like to describe them, are really on trend at the minute, and I got this one from Zara. I absolutely love it. Honestly, I have had so much wear out of this already. It's this padded puffer style body warmer and it does have pockets on both sides. They are zipped, which is great. It has these big collars on both sides and you can actually pull these if you wanted it to be a little bit tighter. Again, this is easy to style with hoodies underneath, especially if you're wearing all black. If you wore a contrasting colour like a nude or a sandy colour to go with the black gilet would look really nice too. Next I have this grey knitted V-neck cardigans with these gorgeous button detail on them. It does have quite a low V in this cardigan, so on me I couldn't get away with wearing this as just a top on its own, but this would definitely look really nice if you were to style it just as a top on its own, but unfortunately I'm just a little bit too short to be able to do that. I've just paired it with this high neck black racerback tank top. Again, this black top is from Zara, and I think it looks really nice if you wear these sorts of things off your shoulder. Again, really easy to pair with jeans, some leggings. It would even go with a skirt if you like that sort of look. You could also pair this with a nice cream or white tank top underneath, and then pair it with blue jeans. That would be a really nice look as well. I really like this one. It's really easy to throw on. You could also wear it open if you wanted to. So the next item I have from Zara is this t-shirt. I know this is probably not to everybody's taste. Personally, I love t-shirts that are still sticking in the black and white category but have a bit of a pattern or something going on, because again, when you're wearing a plain all black or white outfit, having a little bit of pattern on your top really just adds a little bit extra to your look. This is just a white cotton short sleeve t-shirt and has this kind of abstract lines going on all over it. This is really nice and lightweight material. I have just tucked it in the top of my jeans just to make it a little bit more styled. And then for this look, I've paired the t-shirt with this really nice knitted long line cardigan. This is really nice and cozy and comfy and easy to get wrapped up in if it's a little bit chilly outside. Again, I've just kept my black jeans on with this. You could add, again, leggings, a skirt, any kind of jeans or any different colour that you have in your wardrobe. I've also added this little crossbody bag, which is again from Zara. I did buy this last year. Again, if I can find it on the website, I will link it below. But yeah, this is a really easy go-to outfit where you can just literally chuck on your cardigan, your bag, and you're literally ready to go. This is definitely one of my favourite looks, and it's something I go to on a regular basis. It's really easy to wear but looks really, really nice. And the final thing I have to show you is this gorgeous ribbed long sleeve jumper. This is honestly so soft, in a slightly larger size, so it was a bit more oversized. It also is quite a bit longer in length. I paired them with these light sand coloured jeans, which are from Topshop, or you could tuck it into your jeans, and again you've got a totally different sort of vibe going on. Then I've just added this puffer jacket again over the top. I think adding the sandy coloured jeans to this outfit really brightens it up a little bit, so I'm not just wearing all kind of dark black colours. So that is the end of this Zara haul slash styling video. I really hope you enjoyed this style of video. I thought it was something a little bit different, and then it shows you how I would style the pieces that I've bought. Let me know in the comments what your favourite outfit was, or if there was a particular item that you really liked. I'll also leave as much information as I can. If there was anything that you've seen or liked the look of, then I'll leave that all in the description box below. Also, if you want to see more styling content and outfit pictures, then make sure to go and check out my Instagram. I'm always posting outfit pictures on there, and also what I get up to during the day. If you haven't already, please do click that subscribe button. It really helps me out if you do, and I will see you all in my next video.